not just for collaboration, rather for the development, further progress. How to progress in academic world. We may be well equipped with certain necessary requirements, but that may not be sufficient. So we have to see where are the other campuses, how to collaborate with other campuses, and how to fulfill the need of other institutions also. So this is not one-way traffic, it is from both ways. But I always emphasize the need that this collaboration, this MOU should not remain in our files. Rather, it should be implemented. So for instance, for 3 years we are engaging, and then during these 3 years, by the end of 3 years, we should take account of what achievements we have, what kind of works we have done, and what are the results. There is accountability on our part. We must take things into account. And I am sure that whatever we sign here shall not go waste. Rather,